Hey traders, this is a game and I just wanted to review my True Trader trades from this morning, August 28th, 2020. It's Friday and it's end of a pretty successful week. So I'm closing out pretty strong here at the end of the week and end of the month. But I just wanted to show you an alert that was posted to the True Trader scanner, one of their scanners that they have. To show you a screenshot of the scanner here. So at 9:34 and 34 seconds, I got an alert for NTNX to go short at around this level. There's some other criteria we want to fulfill, but they kind of give you an idea where you should get your order filled or where you should aim for, right? So that was 34 was right here, right when it was approaching that level. I waited a little bit longer, but I didn't get in at the best price. But I got in at 24.58, and so I went short 24.58, which was right here, and then I'll draw a horizontal line, and then I got out in two trades. So I took my partial at 24.26, and then I got stopped out on my last position because I was going to see if it made a turnaround. So I don't know what the previous day close was. Let's see, the previous day close was a lot lower. So this thing was gapping up pre-market, but so it did have potential to go higher, but you just never know if it's going to go back down gap close or not. So I tend to leave a partial in just to maximize profits as much as possible. So yeah. It was a successful trade, again, alerted in the True Trader scanner. I don't think it came up in the chat room, but I kind of have one eye on the scanner, one eye in the chat room, and one eye on my own alert system through TradingView. So I give a full review of the True Trader platform, which I'll put a link to the video in the top right, and you can check out that review. Also, all the benefits you get by signing up through True Trader with my link. All right, thanks. Have a great one.